Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to JP-BBQ. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Today, we're gonna spatchcock some chickens and we're gonna marinate them in some peach sauce. You guys stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how this spatchcock peach marinated chicken comes out doing the JP style. You guys check it out. Let's start off with spatchcocking some chickens. All right, got me 3 chickens right here. And the way we spatchcock, all it is taking out the rib cage out of the back and just do a small cut and cut right alongside of those ribs till you get down here to the bottom of the thighs. There we go. Sometimes it gets a little tough down here in the bottom. Gotta finesse it a little bit because you hit that thigh bone, but just power through it. Get you a good sharp knife, and voila, ribs, or not the ribs, the spine is out. Okay, and sometimes when you do that incision to take the spine out, you may have already cut right here down the chest bone, and that chest bone is what you need cut, or kind of cut a little bit so you can split it. That way your chicken lays nice and flat like that. Okay, so once they're like that, it's just a matter of getting them seasoned. I got 2 more chickens to do. How easy this recipe is. I've used this recipe several times before. You want to first start off with 2 cups of ketchup. Okay, get you 2 cups of ketchup, get you 3/4 cups of apple cider vinegar, and if you like your sauce a little bit more vinegary base, just go ahead and double the amount of vinegar that you put in it. After that, you also want to put in 2/3 cups brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of your favorite barbecue rub, and I used, of course, JP-Licious. That is my favorite barbecue sauce. And then 4 cups of peaches. 4 cups of peaches, probably, if you got you 3 good sized peaches and you got them chopped up really nice, that'll probably yield you about 4 cups of it. Okay, after that, you just put all your ingredients into a saucepan, put it on the burner, bring it to a boil. Once it's at a boil, lower that temperature down and just let it simmer for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let it cool down a little bit and run it through your food processor, or just put it in a blender, will work just as well also. Okay, but besides that, that's how easy it is to make a JP peach sauce. But how to make a peach sauce, time to get messy. You know, just pour it all on there. May want to flip it over as well, that way you get it on the skin. Get those wings nice and covered. There we go. And we're gonna let this chicken marinate in our peach sauce, and we're gonna get that Weber Smoky Mountain fired up, and we're gonna have us some fantastic chicken. You guys stay tuned. Hey guys, this chicken is done. It has taken on a very beautiful color. A nice, I don't know what to call it, a peach mahogany color. and it looks fantastic. That Weber Smoky Mountain cooked this chicken in no time. It's time to cut into it, see what it's all about. We're gonna cut this one right here, and we're just gonna cut right down the middle. Oh yeah, let's take a look at this chicken. Ooh-wee. Beautiful piece. Look at that. You guys see them juices right there? Oh yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Let's cut us. Oh, my mouth is watering. Oh, this thing is so juicy. Look at all these juices here. Look at that. Oh my God, you can just see the juices dripping out of it. Came out really good. There's that piece, there's that piece. We'll cut this other one right here. Oh yeah, let me show you guys something. Ta-da! That's all the juices coming out of this chicken. Neck quarters, breast and a wing. And we'll put this other one right there. I don't know which one I should cut. What should I taste? Let me, I'm a breast man. We'll try the breast. We're gonna cut some of this breast right here. Oh wow, look at all the juices. This is that peach marinade that we made, homemade. Let's give it a try. Look at that. See how juicy it is? Look at that. You let it focus right there. See how it's like really, really juicy. Mm. Oh yeah, that is good. Oh wow, good stuff, guys. Weber Smoky Mountain did a fantastic job. I also put some wood in there. I put a couple of chunks of apple and some hickory, and gave it that wood smoke flavor to it. But this Weber Smoky Mountain has done a fantastic job. I love it. It's doing good. I can't wait to do some more cooks on it. So I gotta get this meat cut up. Gotta feed the family. Everybody's hungry. But besides that, guys, I appreciate you guys very much. If you could do me a favor, right there in the corner is a little subscribe button. Click on that button, and also click on that bell. That bell gives you future notifications of upcoming videos. If you like this video and you like what I'm doing, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and feel free to leave any comments down below. And if you're interested in any of the products that I have, right here in the link, I'll put a link down below as well to my webpage. It'll show you all the products that I have. Help support this channel. I'll talk to you guys later. I appreciate you guys very much, and I love you. Y'all take care. See ya.